Guys, so I'm going to show you a model essay for the inform and explain essay. Right now, what you're looking at is the document, okay, a model essay document that's similar to what you guys have. So I'm actually going to scroll down a little bit because by the time you get to this video, you probably have already filled this out. Okay, so we've defined and explained. We've defined inform and explain. We have answered a bunch of questions based on this table. You should have already explored the website. You'll be using that website a lot, so make sure that you're very familiar with it and that you've actually read the entire article, all the articles related to your job or your career that you've chosen. And you should have already filled out a lot of information, a lot of good details, facts about your job in the graphic organizer. That will help you write your essay. Now, I'm on the what looks to be the fourth page. Okay, now let's go over this together. After you've thoroughly researched your chosen job, it's time to inform and explain others about the job in an essay. Use a model essay from class as an example how to craft your essay. This is an important step. You must pay close attention to the model essay and model your essay after this essay. So when we look and explore and read this essay, your essay is going to look like this essay, right? A lot of you guys did not do this for your first essay, so please pay close attention. Here are your requirements for this inform and explain essay. First, the structure of the essay. How does this essay look? First, there will be an introductory paragraph. Then there should be a section on the job description. Describe what the job does. Next, work environment, pay, and the path a student must take to get this job. Finally, finish with the conclusion. Okay? If you decide to write one paragraph for each section, it will be at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paragraphs, at least. You might ask yourself, where can I get all this information? Well, first of all, you should have already found a lot of this information in your graphic organizer from the website. Okay, so that's where you're going to find it. You should have a lot of the information already in your graphic organizer. If you need more, you can always go back to that website, the Bureau of Labor Statistics website. Also, some of the other requirements. You should be modeling after the essay. Next, you have to have at least one chart or table with a description and an explanation. All right, so you're going to include a chart or a table, and in that chart or table, you will describe what that table is, and you will explain what that has to do with your essay. You should have complex and interesting vocabulary. Try to use vocab words we've used, or other words that are a little bit more complex and mature. You should proofread for writing errors. That will be a part of your revising and your peer revising and peer editing. However, you yourself as the writer are responsible for the final product, the final draft of this inform and explain essay. Read it out loud. Okay, when you read it out loud, that will help you proofread. Lastly, there's a 750 word minimum word count. Okay, 750 words of your essay.